Figure shows a representation of sound wave of constant frequency passes through the air. Compressions are labeled C. Rarefactions are labeled R. State how figure would change if: number 1, the sound had a higher frequency. Number 2, the sound was louder. Before you answer this question, there is something you need to read well, which is A. State how figure would change if. In this question, he does not need a scientific explanation. He only asks for what will be different in the figure. So let's take it step by step. Do you remember this representation of sound waves? When we say that rarefactions, which are the low pressure regions, are these troughs, and compressions, which are higher pressure regions, are the top peaks or the crests. This is not a transverse wave. It just shows the variation of air pressure with distance in a longitudinal wave. We will need this to understand the answer. The first thing he asks for: what will happen if the frequency changes? Greater frequency means that in the same space there will be more waves. The number of waves will increase. So this is how the diagram will change. More compressions and rarefactions in the same distance, because higher frequency, which is higher pitch, means more waves, which is more compressions and rarefactions drawn in the same space. So our answer will be more compressions and rarefactions. Let's see number 2. What will happen if the sound becomes louder? You know before that loudness is the amplitude. So when the sound becomes louder, this is what will happen to the first diagram. Amplitude increases. But what does this mean for the other diagram? This means that pressure in the compressions will increase more than before. Also, the pressure in the rarefactions will decrease more than before. This will appear as lines in the pressure will get narrower and closer to each other, while lines in the rarefaction will get further apart from each other. So the answer will be compressions get narrower with higher pressure and rarefactions get wider with lower pressure. The mark scheme for the first question, number 1, gives 1 mark for compressions and or rarefactions closer together, or more compressions and rarefactions. The mark scheme ignores wavelength shorter because we said before he doesn't need any scientific changes or any scientific explanations. He's just asking for what is happening to the diagram. The mark scheme for question 2. This is for 2 marks. Layers closer together at compressions. This is for 1 mark. Layers farther apart at rarefactions. This is the other mark. Another possible answer is compressions narrower for 1 mark, rarefactions wider for the second mark. Also, the mark scheme ignores any scientific explanation. Wavelength shorter, ignore amplitude greater, ignore maximum displacement greater.